Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to fix GIF not working issue on your Instagram. If you are facing this problem, then this video is for you. To fix this, first of all, what you need to do is open your app store on your device and search for Instagram and see if any of this is available in your application. If there are any, then please do update your application. Once you do that, go back to your home page and then go through the Instagram application. From there, go through your profile page and then hit on the three lines on the top right corner. From there, select setting and privacy, and on the searching bar, search for switch to professional account and switch it to professional account or business account. Once you do that, your GIF not working issue will be gone. So in this way you can fix this issue. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.